Have you ever seen a flash of color flutter by in a garden? Maybe you've paused for a moment, captivated by the delicate dance of wings in the sunlight. These enchanting creatures seem to appear out of nowhere, adding a touch of magic to any outdoor space. That's likely a butterfly, nature's living jewels. Their wings shimmer with iridescent colors, catching the light in ways that seem almost otherworldly. Each butterfly is a tiny masterpiece, painted by nature itself. Butterflies come in every color imaginable, from bright yellows to deep blues and fiery oranges. Some even have patterns that look like eyes or intricate mosaics, designed to dazzle and protect them from predators. But their beauty hides an incredible secret. Every butterfly begins life as something completely different. Their story is one of transformation, resilience, and wonder. Unlike most creatures, butterflies don't just grow. They transform, undergoing a process called metamorphosis. This is one of nature's most astonishing feats, where a simple caterpillar is completely remade into a flying marvel. This journey has 4 stages, each more fascinating than the last. Imagine a tiny egg, almost invisible to the naked eye, hatching into a hungry caterpillar. The caterpillar spends its days munching on leaves, growing rapidly, and preparing for the next stage. Then comes the mysterious chrysalis, where the real magic happens. Inside, the caterpillar is transformed, and finally a winged marvel emerges, ready to take on the world. Metamorphosis is nature's real-life fairy tale, happening right in our backyards. It's a story of patience, change, and the incredible power of nature to reinvent itself. In this video, we'll follow the butterfly's journey from egg to first flight. We'll witness the challenges and triumphs at every stage, and see how each step is essential to the butterfly's survival. We'll see how a humble crawler becomes a master of the sky, soaring above gardens and fields, pollinating flowers, and inspiring awe in everyone who sees them. Get ready to discover the magic of change, patience, and the hidden wonders of the natural world. The butterfly's story is a reminder that even the smallest creatures can have the most extraordinary journeys. Let's begin the butterfly story and unlock the secrets behind one of nature's most beautiful transformations. Every butterfly's story starts with a tiny egg, carefully placed by its mother on a special plant called a host plant. The mother chooses this plant because her caterpillar babies will need to eat its leaves as soon as they hatch. Monarchs, for example, only lay eggs on milkweed. Butterfly eggs come in many shapes and colors: round, oval, white, green, or yellow. Some are laid alone, others in clusters, all glued securely to leaves or stems. Inside each egg, a new life forms, protected from predators and the sun. After a few days or weeks, the caterpillar chews its way out. Its first meal? The nutritious eggshell itself. With that, the tiny caterpillar is ready to start its real job, eating and growing. The journey has truly begun. The caterpillar, or larva, is a non-stop eating machine. From the moment it hatches from its tiny egg, its life is all about one thing: eating as much as possible. Every waking moment is spent searching for fresh, tender leaves to devour, fueling its rapid growth. Its only mission: eat, grow, and survive. The caterpillar's appetite is legendary, and it can consume many times its own body weight in a single day. This constant feasting is crucial, as it needs to store up enough energy for the incredible transformation ahead. With a long, soft body and many legs, it munches leaves day and night, growing up to 100 times its original size in just weeks. Its body stretches and swells, becoming plumper with every meal. The caterpillar's growth is one of the fastest in the animal kingdom, but its skin can't stretch, so the caterpillar must shed it several times as it grows. This process, called molting, happens 4 or 5 times. Each time, the caterpillar wriggles out of its old skin, revealing a fresh, larger one underneath. It's a vulnerable moment, but necessary for survival. Life isn't easy. Birds, spiders, and wasps are always hunting. Danger lurks everywhere, and the caterpillar must stay alert. Even a moment's distraction can mean the end, as predators are quick and always on the lookout for a tasty meal. Some caterpillars blend in with leaves, while others use bright colors or fake eye spots to scare off predators. Camouflage helps them disappear among the foliage, while bold patterns warn enemies that they might be poisonous or unpalatable. These clever defenses are vital for survival in a world full of threats. After several molts, the caterpillar is full-sized and ready for its next big change. Its body is now packed with energy, and it's time to prepare for the most dramatic transformation of its life. It stops eating and searches for a safe, hidden spot. The caterpillar becomes restless, wandering away from its food source in search of the perfect place to begin its transformation. Safety is crucial, as it will soon be unable to defend itself. There, it prepares for the most mysterious stage of all. The caterpillar anchors itself securely, often hanging upside down, and begins to shed its skin one final time. The feast is over. Transformation is about to begin. The caterpillar's body becomes still, and a remarkable change is set in motion. Soon the caterpillar will leave its crawling days behind. It will no longer need to search for food or hide from predators in the same way. The next step, becoming a chrysalis. Inside this protective shell, the caterpillar will undergo a complete transformation, changing into something entirely new. The magic of metamorphosis is about to unfold. Soon, a beautiful butterfly or moth will emerge, completing one of nature's most astonishing life cycles. When the caterpillar is ready, a powerful instinct takes over, guiding it to seek out the perfect hidden spot for its incredible transformation. This is a crucial moment in its life, and every movement is driven by the need for safety and survival. The caterpillar may travel surprisingly far from its host plant, venturing across leaves, twigs, and even the ground, all in search of a place that offers shelter from hungry predators and protection from harsh weather. It's a journey filled with risk, but also with purpose. Once it finds a suitable spot, the caterpillar uses silk from its spinneret to anchor itself securely. It then hangs upside down in a distinctive J shape, a signal that the next stage is about to begin. This position helps keep it safe and stable during the vulnerable process ahead. After hanging for a day or two, the caterpillar's body begins to change. The final molt starts, not just a simple shedding of skin, but the beginning of a complete transformation. The caterpillar wriggles and twists, loosening its old skin as it prepares for what comes next. Slowly, the old skin splits open along the back, and the pupa, or chrysalis, is revealed underneath. This delicate process is both dramatic and mesmerizing, as the caterpillar leaves behind its former self. The newly exposed chrysalis quickly hardens, forming a tough outer shell. Its colors and patterns help it blend in with its surroundings, camouflaging it as a leaf, twig, or even a piece of bark. Nature's way of keeping it safe during this vulnerable time. Some chrysalises are a vivid green, perfectly matching fresh leaves, while others mimic dried leaves in shades of brown. Some species even have shimmering golden spots, like tiny jewels, adding to the wonder of this stage. Inside this protective shell, the caterpillar as we once knew it vanishes. Its body breaks down and reorganizes, using special cells to build wings, legs, and antennae. The transformation is hidden from view, but it is nothing short of miraculous. This is one of the most incredible transformations in all of nature, a complete metamorphosis where a crawling caterpillar becomes a flying butterfly. Outside, the world is calm and still, but inside the chrysalis, change is happening every second. The quiet exterior hides a flurry of activity and growth. The next time we see this creature, it will have emerged as something entirely new, a butterfly, ready to begin the next chapter of its remarkable life. The chrysalis may look lifeless, but inside, a miracle is happening. The caterpillar's body dissolves into a nutrient-rich soup, except for special groups of cells called imaginal discs. These discs hold the blueprint for the adult butterfly: wings, legs, eyes, and more. Fed by the caterpillar soup, the discs rapidly grow and form the butterfly's new body. The head, thorax, and abdomen take shape, along with delicate wings and a long curling proboscis for sipping nectar. Internal organs are rearranged for a life of flight. As the transformation nears completion, the chrysalis becomes translucent. You might glimpse the butterfly's colors and patterns through the shell. The secret work is almost done. Soon the butterfly will be ready to emerge. From crawling larva to winged wonder, the change is nearly complete. The world is about to meet a brand new butterfly. The moment of emergence is close. At last, the butterfly is ready to break free. The chrysalis becomes transparent, revealing the folded wings inside. The butterfly pushes and splits the case open, slowly pulling itself out. Its wings are crumpled and wet, and its body is swollen. Hanging upside down, the butterfly pumps fluid into its wings, expanding them to full size. It must remain still while its wings harden, a critical moment for survival. Once dry, the butterfly expels leftover fluid and tests its new wings and proboscis. After a few hours of rest, it's ready for its first flight. With a gentle push, it leaves its old life behind. The transformation is complete. The butterfly's new adventure begins. The butterfly's first flight is a wobbly, magical leap into a new world. Now, it sees the garden from above, ready to sip nectar and find a mate. Its body is built for flight, lightweight with strong muscles and colorful scale-covered wings. These colors help with camouflage, warning predators, and finding other butterflies. The butterfly's proboscis unrolls to drink nectar, providing energy for flying and mating. Some butterflies live only a week or two. Others, like monarchs, survive for months to migrate. The female will soon lay eggs, starting the cycle anew. Each butterfly's life is short but vital to the next generation. The story of metamorphosis continues. Butterflies are full of surprises. Some can remember things from their caterpillar days, even after metamorphosis. Their wings are covered in thousands of tiny scales, creating colors with pigments and light reflection. Blues and greens are structural colors. No pigment, just microscopic magic. Butterflies see the world differently, with compound eyes and the ability to detect ultraviolet light. Some flowers have UV patterns, guiding butterflies to nectar. Not all butterflies drink only nectar. Some seek minerals from mud, rotting fruit, or even animal sweat. This adaptability helps them survive in many environments. Butterflies are truly remarkable insects. Butterflies are more than just beautiful, they're vital to our planet. As pollinators, they help plants reproduce, supporting food webs and wildflowers. Butterflies are also food for birds, spiders, and other animals at every stage of life. Their presence signals a healthy environment. A decline warns of trouble. Sadly, many species are threatened by habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change. But we can help. Plant nectar-rich flowers, grow host plants, and avoid chemicals in our gardens. Even small actions create safe havens for butterflies. By protecting them, we preserve the magic of metamorphosis for future generations. Let's ensure these flying flowers continue to inspire wonder. The butterfly's journey is a story worth saving.